You won't believe these smart TEMU gadgets actually exist. They're designed to save time, cut clutter, and make everyday life feel almost effortless. From clever home upgrades to surprisingly useful tech, they're seriously impressive. All product links are in the description below. This 1:64 scale Bugatti Mistral brings supercar style into the palm of your hand. Made from durable alloy, it rolls smoothly and feels solid for both play and display. The sleek black finish makes it perfect for collectors or kids who love cars. A fun, gift-ready mini model for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Why carry 3 tools when one does it all? This smart laser tape measure combines a 5-meter tape, a digital laser rangefinder, and a cross-marking guide, all in one handheld gadget. It measures up to 131 feet with pinpoint accuracy, and even stores your last 20 readings. The self-locking tape adds safety, and the rugged grip keeps it steady. Great for DIYers or pros who want fast, reliable results every time. Running out of closet space? This foldable pants rack stacks multiple pairs in one sleek organizer. The non-slip hangers keep everything in place. No more pants sliding to the floor. It folds flat when not in use, freeing up space instantly. Great for small wardrobes, tight shelves, or travel packing. It's a simple way to keep your pants neat, visible, and ready to grab. Ready to feel like a superhero? This web launcher toy shoots out a stretchy, slimy string that grabs onto nearby objects so you can reel them in. It's fun, fast, and super satisfying to use. Perfect for playtime or showing off tricks. The web looks surprisingly realistic, making every launch feel like you're in your own action movie. Just aim, shoot, and swing into the fun. Moving heavy furniture doesn't have to feel like a workout. These rotating ABS caster wheels stick right onto the bottom of anything you need to shift. Just rinse, heat with a blow dryer, and press them on. In seconds, bulky items glide across the floor like they're on ice. They spin smoothly in every direction and make rearranging your space totally effortless. No tools, no stress, just easy movement. Add a touch of calm and creativity to your space. This dynamic sand painting creates mesmerizing moving landscapes every time you flip it. Just rotate the glass and watch as the sand drifts slowly, forming mountains, waves, or deserts in real time. It's like having a live piece of art that never repeats itself. Beautiful, relaxing, and guaranteed to make your home feel more artistic. No more hunting for a printer when you're on the move. This compact, inkless thermal printer has you covered. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone or tablet, or by USB to your laptop, and prints crisp black and white pages in multiple sizes. No ink, no mess, and super easy to use whether you're in the car, at a job site, or working remotely. It's a water bottle until it becomes an ice cube machine. This clever 2-in-1 tool lets you freeze water into perfectly shaped cubes, then pop them out with a simple press and pull. No touching, no odor, and no mess. Just let it sit for a few minutes after freezing, press the sides, open the lid, and pour. It's chill made simple and perfect for drinks on the go. Corners don't have to be wasted space. This 3-tier kitchen shelf fits snugly into any corner and rotates so you can access everything easily. Need a cleaner look? Just slide it closed and your items disappear neatly behind the panels. It's waterproof, compact, and works just as well in bathrooms too. A smart way to organize without clutter. Your bathroom just got a tech upgrade. This smart wall-mounted toothbrush holder doesn't just organize, it disinfects with built-in UV light that kills 99.99% of bacteria. It holds up to 6 toothbrushes, includes 3 rinse cups, and even dispenses toothpaste with a simple press. The sleek design fits right in with modern decor, and the glowing light indicators make it feel futuristic. This isn't just a clock, it's a futuristic piece of digital art for your desk. With 5 vibrant color screens mimicking retro Nixie tubes, it displays time, date, weather, and even your favorite photos. You can control everything through an app, from light modes to custom image slideshows. Choose from 16 million colors and multiple effects to match your vibe. It's a bold blend of nostalgia and high-tech flair. Bath time just got smarter. This foldable tub isn't just portable, it heats water with one touch and keeps it at your perfect temperature the whole time. It even filters out impurities as it circulates, so every soak feels pure and clean. The quick fold design saves up to 75% space and sets up in seconds. With a hood cover to trap steam, it's perfect for deep relaxation or muscle recovery. No bending, no touching, just step in and your shoes are instantly covered. This automatic shoe cover dispenser holds up to 30 covers at a time and works without electricity. One quick step and you're good to go. It comes with 200 waterproof anti-slip covers that fit most shoe sizes, perfect for keeping floors clean in your home, clinic, or workspace without the mess or hassle. Step into your game, literally. This full-body VR system gives you the power to walk, run, crouch, or jump just like you would in real life. Every move you make translates directly into the virtual world for total immersion. With 360-degree motion tracking, you're not just playing the game, you're living it. It's the closest thing to teleporting inside your favorite universe. Rain-soaked shoes? Not a problem anymore. This electric boot dryer folds up, flips out, and gets to work in seconds. Just plug it in, pop your shoes on top, and set the smart timer using the LED display. It gently heats and dries in as little as 10 minutes. No noise, no hassle. Compact and clever. It's the fast fix your damp footwear needs. Yes, you can binge your favorite shows, even in the shower. This waterproof phone holder sticks to your bathroom wall and keeps your screen crystal clear and fully touchable. The 360 degrees rotation and retractable design let you adjust the angle exactly how you like it. Vents on both sides even boost your sound so your music or podcasts come through loud and clear. Shower time just got a serious upgrade. Your iPad just got a serious glow up. This all-in-one keyboard case isn't just sleek, it's wildly versatile. With 360-degree rotation and 7 viewing modes, you can type, sketch, or stream from any angle. The rainbow backlit keys light up your workspace, even in the dark, and the built-in touchpad adds laptop-level control. It protects your device, holds your pencil, and turns your tablet into a productivity powerhouse. Cold toilet seats are a thing of the past. This rubber heater seat stays warm, soft, and flexible, making bathroom trips way more comfortable. It's waterproof, super bendy, and installs just like a regular toilet seat. No tools, no hassle, just instant coziness. A simple upgrade that makes a big difference, especially on chilly mornings. Tired of toothpaste mess? This automatic dispenser keeps things clean, simple, and hands-free. Just peel and stick it to your wall and insert your toothpaste tube. To use, press your toothbrush into the slot, and it neatly applies the perfect amount. It's waterproof, and the inner parts pop out easily for a quick rinse. Smart, tidy, and super satisfying to use. Turn playtime into creative time. This interactive drawing robot brings pictures to life by sketching them out, all on its own. Just slide in one of the drawing cards, and its little pen-holding arms get to work. Kids get to watch their favorite images appear, one stroke at a time. It's a fun and magical way to keep them learning while they play. Who knew a faucet could be this cool? This one comes with a built-in LED screen that shows the water temperature as it flows. No surprises, no scalding. You can swivel the head and choose from 3 spray modes: soft waterfall, steady stream, or powerful rinse. Need extra reach? Just pull it out like a hose. It's high-tech convenience built right into your sink. Public restrooms? No stress. These disposable toilet seat covers give you full 360-degree protection, wrapping completely around the seat for total coverage. Just slide one on and sit comfortably. No touching, no worrying. They're lightweight, portable, and made for hassle-free travel. Stay clean and confident wherever you go. Don't let the size fool you. This mini table saw pack serious cutting power. It handles wood, plastic, acrylic, and even metal with precision, thanks to its adjustable angles and 7-speed control. A powerful motor hits up to 6,000 RPM, while the clear scale lines and safety shield help keep every cut clean and secure. It's compact, rugged, and built for hobbyists who want pro-level results in tight spaces. Shoelaces just got a serious upgrade. These colorful, elastic, no-tie laces snap right onto your shoes in seconds. No knots, no fuss. They stretch as you move, keeping things snug without ever feeling tight. Super easy to clean and built to last. They won't rip or fray like traditional laces. And the best part? They make every pair of shoes look way less boring. Turn your room into a glowing dreamscape. This RGB Aurora lamp swirls soft gradients of light that move and dance like jellyfish in water. It's sound activated, so it reacts to music, claps, or even your voice, creating a show that matches your vibe. The light is warm and gentle on the eyes, perfect for relaxing or setting a chill mood. Hang it, stand it, or carry it. It's fully rechargeable and USB powered. Pixel art meets smart tech in this customizable LED display. With a 32 by 32 grid, you can create animations, scrolling messages, mini games, and more, all from the app on your phone. It works as a digital clock, scoreboard, and even a countdown timer. Whether it's on your wall or desk, this light-up panel adds personality and play to any space. Perfect for gamers, creatives, or anyone who loves a bit of flair. Ever wanted to light up your space like a sci-fi movie? This geometric gaming lamp brings that vibe to life. With 7 colors and a mind-blowing 365 shifting light modes, it creates an endless mirror illusion that pulls you right in. You can tweak the brightness and speed to match your mood. Perfect for gaming, relaxing, or setting the scene. This light turns any room into a whole experience. Say goodbye to messy, exhausting plunging. This air-powered toilet plunger builds up pressure with a few pumps, then blasts through clogs in one powerful shot. It works on toilets, sinks, and drains. No twisting or splashing required. Comes with a wall-mounted rack to keep it off the floor and ready to grab. Strong, simple, and way more effective than your old plunger. Looks like an egg, works like a dream. This smart toilet does everything for you. Opens the lid, flushes, even heats the seat without you touching a thing. You can flush with your foot, and it finishes off with a warm air dryer so there's no need for paper. It's fully automatic and completely hands-free. Best of all, it's designed to save water without compromising on comfort. You're not just pushing buttons, you're commanding your setup like a pro. This desktop console gives you tactile control over everything from live streams to stock trades. The visual buttons light up and can be fully customized with your own icons and shortcuts. Whether you're switching scenes, launching apps, or muting audio, it's all at your fingertips. USB powered, sleek, and available in 2 sharp color options. Your bed might be cleaner than it looks, but not cleaner than it feels. This portable mite remover uses strong suction, twin vibration pads, and a UV light bar to clear out dust and hidden pests. Just hold the button to power it on and let it shake the bugs loose while it cleans deep. It's USB-C rechargeable, easy to pack, and perfect for travel. Multiple modes make sure every surface gets the treatment it deserves. Showering doesn't have to be boring. This thermostatic system turns your daily rinse into a full-on spa session. Installed overhead, it rains down comfort with multiple waterfall modes and a gentle mist option. You choose how you want to relax, whether that's a calming drizzle or a full-body downpour. Plus, it maintains your perfect water temperature the whole time, so no more sudden bursts of cold. These lights know when you need them, even before you do. Designed with natural wood and soft glow acrylic, they turn on automatically when it's dark and someone walks by. No wires, no drilling, just stick, charge, and let them shine. Thanks to their magnetic base, you can pop them off and use them as a handheld torch too. Perfect for stairways, hallways, or those midnight trips to the fridge. Turn any room into your personal spa. This foldable adult bathtub opens up with a quick leg spread and unfolds into a comfy soaking spot. It even comes with a tray for your laptop, book, or snacks, so you can truly unwind. 3 handy attachments make filling and draining water super simple, portable, easy to clean, and perfect for when you need a bath without the full bathroom setup. Cleaning the toilet doesn't have to be boring. This cactus-shaped silicone brush adds a pop of fun while getting the job done. Its bendy bristles reach deep into tricky corners without scratching, and the sturdy handle keeps your grip steady. It's simple to rinse off and stands out in the best way. Who knew toilet cleaning could look this cute? Tired of lifting heavy jugs just to pour a drink? This automatic dispenser does it for you. Just press your cup against the trigger and watch the hands-free pump deliver milk, juice, or any drink without spills. The anti-overflow design keeps counters clean, and the clear bottle lets you see exactly how much is left. It's fun, easy, and even kids can use it mess-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.